Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, today as you can see we're going to be starting this flower perfume bottle that I got from GBFkE, and I got this I think on Saturday, and we're going to be starting right up here in this top part of this the perfume stopper. The color is 336 and it is kind of a navy blue. Yeah, so we'll just get the thimble out and let's get cracking here. Oh my goodness, it's been a weekend. Kind of a nice quiet weekend though, I do have to say. Not much or many places to go at all, so yay. Sometimes it's just nice to stay home and not go anywhere and just watch the world go by after a while. Yeah, I sat in my stitchy chair yesterday and just stitched on first one thing then another. I was just kind of, what do you call it, tying up ends, shall we say, because I got out Watertown Memory and I stitched on it because there was a couple threads hanging fire, so I went through them and got that all done and even picked the next color and just stitched for maybe an hour or so. My neck kind of felt like, you know how if you just sleep in one position all night? Yeah, that's the way it felt to me. It was awesome. So that didn't last long. I did put the heating pad and an ice pack on it, but it's better today than it was the other day. It was just stiff, and it was just killing me to sit in that chair, so I sat there as long as I could. Stitched on Longevity, the one with the cranes and the black background. Yeah. Stitched on that. Stitched on the girl with the snake. Did a little bit more of that red, I don't know what it is. It was some kind of decoration on the left-hand side. I don't know how else to describe it. It was some kind of a Chinese knot thing. So, about got that taken care of. And I stitched a little bit on the girl with the flowers on her dress or her shirt, whichever it was. Ended up finishing at least one part of a flower. I don't know that that's all to that flower, but I got the inner part done. It was about the size of maybe a little bit bigger than a $50. It had about 4 or 5 changes in it. What else did I stitch on? I can't even remember. Didn't get back to the parrot. So, yeah. So it's Monday. Woohoo! Get to go to work. Something new, something different. It was kind of nice yesterday, except it did have some gusty winds. So this week it's supposed to be warmer. So I don't know how much warmer if it still has winds. You know, that's all going to turn out, but anything's got to be better than last week because it was just a little cold and a little wet, you know. It just decided to look like it was going to snow, and it did a couple of times, but nothing that wasn't melted off by noon, you know. So we're slowly approaching spring. Whenever they have that thing, you know, as far as the groundhog, you know, predicts, you know. Yeah, I'd never listen to that because it's totally not the same here. But like I said the other day, the trees are starting to bud. So that's helpful. That means we're making some kind of forward progress. had my leftover ham and bean soup last night. I'll probably have some tonight, and then I'll put whatever's left into the freezer, because I've about had it with that. Kind of done, you know. You kind of get to the end, and it's like, nope, can't do this no more. So I have no idea what the flavor of the day will be for tomorrow. I may get out some of my fish, and I got tater tots this time instead of french fries. Yeah, don't ask. Still like tater tots. It was just a nice change. Some of the times when I get the french fries, they're just not the way you want them. They seem to get too hard or something. So, but I do like that fish. I get the when it comes in a bag, and it's Gordon's, and there's probably, let's say, 15, maybe 15 in a bag, 15 to 20 somewhere. But it's really nice. I just heat up 2 or 3 of them with either french fries or tater tots, and yep, call it dinner. And it works for me. So, yay. And it makes a good hearty meal, and it's not too overwhelming. You know, sometimes when I have, what do you call them, beef and noodles, it's just so globby, shall we say. Let's put that over there, and we'll start the new thread. Got my little teddy bear today. Isn't she cute? She's so cute. Trying to figure out where to go next here. I guess we'll just start right there and work our way towards me. But yeah, I think this is a beautiful pattern. I just love all the teal colors and how it all comes together. And I'm thrilled sick that it's a partial. Yeah. So it's a nice project. Take someplace that doesn't weigh anything. I like that part. Just like that part. Sometimes you just got to have a change of pace. I've been working with a lot of huge patterns, and it just seems like I don't make any progress at all. So kind of like these that, you know, you work in a small area, you can actually see a bud or a leaf or a flower or an animal of some kind, you know, that's just not too totally carried away. Whoops, missed one. I hate when I do that. Well, you know, we have a Y upside down. You have a dash this way, and you have the slanted one that I'm working on all in green. Yeah. And then you have blue circles. I'm like, serious people. They need some new colors. Sometimes. Just drives me crazy. But yeah, I think this will be nice. And I can just pick it up and stitch on it, and it'll be nice to stitch on outside when I can get out there. It wasn't this weekend because there were, even though it was in the 50s, it was still a little bit windy and just not conducive for sitting on the porch. One day I'm just going to get mad and drag my rocking chair out there and stitch in it. I do like to get those plastic form chairs out because I can put, come on, I can put my feet on one of them and sit on the other, and it goes really well. I usually don't drag the big ones out on the porch. Sometimes I do, but it better be good and dry out there, because, yeah. Other than that, it's not happening. Sorry, we have to stop and start again. Let me see. Is there any... Gotta move my little bear. Come on, get out of my way. Well, I guess we'll just start here. I did crunch this fabric a bit because, you know, they're always stiff in the beginning. So I did an overall crunch on this. But then it's easier to hang on to in my hands. And if anybody has any pictures they'd like to share of projects they're working on or projects they finished, does not have to be cross stitch only. You can send it to my email, which is in the description. I'm sorry, I'm trying to hit a hole. In the description box below, and I will get it into the next Stitch With Me as soon as I can. I have no plans for this week other than the Saturday, April stitching. Theme is birds. So, work on birds or not work on birds. If you want, you can. And it doesn't have to be cross-stitch. You can work on whatever project you like. But that's on Saturdays, 1 Mountain Standard Time, USA. And that's the only thing that's actually set in stone, if you will. Boy, we're just here, there, and everywhere, aren't we? My goodness. I was working on that one with the lady and the flowers in her dress. And it's really coming along great. I mean, the canvas is awesome. Very easy to see. No issues there. So I might work some more on it this week. I'm trying to pull that thread down. I didn't want to get where it needed to be. Yeah, I usually don't go this far, but we are today. I usually tie it off, but just wasn't in the mood to start again. All right. Let me see if I can get that anchored somewhere so I don't get stabbed. So it'll be interesting to, well, let me pull you out, to see, you know, what these extra blues look like. I think it'll be beautiful. Just gorgeous. I love it. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.